Ya miaka iri kirumaniririo namba ya airĩtu aria mekite kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE ni ongererekeire ikiringithanio na namba ya anake aria marekire kĩgeranio gĩkĩ kĩa mwaka wa 2025. Ũũ ni kuringana na ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrekereirio ni Minister wa Gĩthomo Julius Ogamba uria ugĩte harĩ kaunti 10 nicio irandĩkithirie kuongerereka kwa namba ya anake makiringithanio na airĩtu, nacio kaunti 14 ikiandĩkithia namba nene ya airĩtu o makiringithanio na anake, nacio kaunti 23 ikĩrĩkana nĩ iraigananĩirie mũigana wa arutwo airĩtu na anake arĩa marekire kĩgeranio gĩkĩ.
Of the 993,226 candidates who sat the 2025 KCSE examinations, 492,012 were male, while 501,214 were female, representing 49.54% and 50.46% of the total candidature, respectively. This is the second year in a row since inception of the KCSE examinations that female candidates are more than male candidates. However, 10 counties had a significant entry of more male than female candidates. These were Garissa, which had 66.24% to 33.76%. Mandera had 65.09% to 34.91%. Wajir had 60.10% to 39.90%. Turkana had 57.67% to 42.33%. Narok had 53.10% to 46.90%. Samburu had 52.43% to 47.57%. Mombasa had 52.08% to 47.92%. Homa Bay had 52% to 48%. Nyamira had 51.9% to 48.03%, and West Pokot had 51% to 48.16%. 14 counties had a significant entry of more female than male candidates. These were Vihiga, which had 55.905% to 44.10%. Elgeyo Marakwet had 55.06% to 44.94%. Kisumu had 53.87% to 46.15%. Kiambu had 53.23% to 46.77%. Kwale had 53.19% to 46.81%. Nairobi had 52.90% to 47.10%. Kakamega had 52.47% to 47.53%. Meru had 52.22% to 47.78%. Isiolo had 52.21% to 47.79%. Uasin Gishu had 52.14% to 48.26%. Busia had 51.72% to 48.28%, and Tharaka Nithi had 51.57% to 48.43%. 23 counties, however, recorded near perfect gender parity, which counties were Lamu, Marsabit, Embu, Tana River, Laikipia, Kisii, Baringo, Migori, Trans Nzoia, Nandi, Kajiado, Taita Taveta, Kericho, Siaya, Kilifi, Bomet, Nyeri, Nyandarua, Murang'a, Nakuru, Kirinyaga, Bungoma, and Makueni.